We're Brian and Crystal, and this is Vanhalla Adventures. We've been spending the last year living in our van, but after we had some engine troubles last month, we left the van in California for repairs while we jetted off to Florida until we can resume van life once again. After a very long month of dealing with the stress of the van issues, we decided to take a break and head south towards Miami for a mini adventure. Today, we're going to take you on a quick tour of Wynwood Walls, a unique area filled with some epic artwork, and then to the Everglades for a 15-mile bike ride right in the middle of alligator country. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more travel and van life adventures. What is up, everyone? Our first stop on our trip down in the Miami area, Southern Florida area, is the Wynwood Walls. I haven't been here in probably I don't know, I think 6-7 years, and Brian's never been, so this is gonna be pretty cool. The warehouse district of Wynwood in Miami has brought together some of the world's greatest graffiti and street artists. The warehouse buildings provide large canvases for artists to bring their visions to life and provide one of the largest open-air art installations in the world. On every corner, you'll find something unique and beautiful.
This is awesome. You can see people actually painting them right now. It's really cool. So much beautiful art everywhere.
What's up? Good morning, everyone. Today we are headed to the Everglades, and I'm just packing up. We got all this beautiful fresh pressed juice from this place called Just Juice down in Miami. They were just so sweet. They did kind of a one-day kind of cleanse for us, so we have a bunch of juice to keep us hydrated while we're out there. But anyways, really excited to go to the Everglades, see some alligators. I don't want to see a python. What else is over there? Oh, turtles! So it should be a fun day.
We're gonna find some gators.
Because we are coming from the Miami area, we're gonna start off at the Shark Valley Visitor Center. This is the closest entrance into the Everglades, and apparently is also known as the original Everglades. And we rented some bicycles from there to do the 15-mile loop in Shark Valley, so it should be pretty chill today.
Sure, yeah. Awesome. Thank you.
I'm so hungry. I want to eat before we go, yeah?
Yeah, let's take a bite.
Okay, cool.
What you eating there?
I don't even know. Some sort of bowl. But they had this place and it had a build your own bowl. I don't know, it tastes good so far. I don't even know what's in it.
A lot of black beans and rice and avocado. It's pretty good. It's like a burrito bowl. Go get them. Those gators, you have to watch out for you. A little rusty. Let me tell you something, these bikes are pimped out. No, they're not.
We totally forgot sunblock.
Yep, we forgot sunblock. We're gonna be 4 hours out in the sun, no sunblock.
And in case you haven't noticed, we are very white.
Yeah.
We're so pale. Wonder Team, activate.
All right, boom.
Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens.
Looking for gators.
There's a gator right there.
Oh my god.
There's one.
What? It's our first gator.
It's our first gator.
Look at him. He's actually kind of cute.
Number 3. Jesus. Number 5.
We've seen 5 gators and we've only done like what?
It's like 1,000 feet maybe? Number 8. I heard some activity over here, then this little gator over here decided he wanted to check out the action too.
Here's the bird that is attracting the gator. Oh shoot, could this be his last moment? He is on the move, folks. What's this guy doing? He's just hanging out. The 15-mile bike ride we are taking today is in Shark Valley. Despite the name, there are no sharks. The name Shark Valley comes from the area in the Gulf of Mexico known as Shark River, where the water in the Everglades flows. The Everglades is actually a very slow-moving river that's 50 miles wide and is home to 150 species of trees, 40 species of mammals, hundreds of types of colorful birds, and an array of reptiles and amphibians, including crocodiles and, of course, the famous Florida alligators.
Looks like there's an observation tower up here. You get a 360 view of the whole area. Let's go check it out.
This is pretty cool. You can see like everything. And we saw a huge gator with his like mouth open too, like right below. It's cool.
We are out of juice, but luckily you can fill your water bottle over here with water at the water fountain.
So B and I started this bike ride at around 11. It took us like 2 hours because we're filming and stuff to get to the observation tower, and it is hot. We way underestimated the amount of water we would need. So I'm like so grateful that there is water at this stop, and it's about at mile 7, so it's like halfway through.
There you go. Oh, time to get moving. Let's head back. What does your bike sound like?
Well, we just finished. B is already back in the car. I'm hot. I'm sweaty. I'm definitely burnt, but it was awesome. That was so much fun. B is already. Are you just sitting in the air conditioning?
Oh yeah.
Our final gator count was
32.
32. So I think it's time we get home. Wish we had more time in the Everglades, but we need to get back and we'll have more adventures next week. Thanks everybody for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and share with anybody you think might enjoy it. Catch you all next week. Bye everybody. It's a sexy bike you got.
It's pretty, you know, it suits me.
I'm so burnt. Ugh, and it's hot.